Made some good progress today. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm doing a flooring install. So I just gotta grab my tools. First I gotta get the other stuff out of my truck. A bunch of stuff in there that I don't need for this job because it's a flooring job. Yeah. Okay, let's make this happen. Well, we got just about everything loaded up here. Now I gotta get my screws. Some flooring screws. Oh, well, there's not a whole lot left. Might have to pick up some more. Yeah, there's not much left at all. Alright, we are all loaded up. Now let's hit the road, Jack. I don't know why I keep saying that. Now let's hit the road. I made it. Now I gotta head inside, I gotta bring my tools in, and then we have to go to Kent to pick up the flooring, and then we can get started. Got Olivia here with me. She'll probably hang out for a bit, but I'll bring her home eventually, because it kind of sucks just hanging out in the truck all day. She doesn't mind it. So the tools are dropped off, now I gotta head out and get the flooring. We got the flooring picked up. We had to hand bomb it into the back of the truck. I thought they were going to be able to put it on a pallet and just load it in there, but not a big deal. Anyways, now we're off to the job site. We made it back to the job site. Now we got to unload all the flooring. So we got the flooring brought in, and now just gotta cut out the old carpet here, and then we can start laying the flooring. Got the flooring tore up, and I gotta screw down the subfloor to prevent the squeaks. I got the baseboards off. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my small little hammer, so I got this giant guy, but it'll work. So we got the floor all screwed down, so to help with the squeaks, and I got the baseboards tore off, the carpet tore up. Now, thanks Olivia. Now I'm just heading home to grab some lunch, and then we can start laying some flooring. Sweet. What do you smell? What do you smell? Well, we just had lunch and now we're back at the job site, and we're going to start laying some flooring. Sweet. So I put a few more screws in because I realized the underlay was going to go over further than what I thought, and I didn't quite have enough screws in. So we're doing one side at a time. We're going to do all the flooring on this side first. We're going to do all the flooring on this side first, and then move that over here. And stuff in the closet over here as well. And then we'll do that side. And that's the plan. Well, we're making some progress here. We got 2 rows down. As you can see, the first row was always a little slow because you gotta cut for the wall, or at least in this case, because I'm coming into a bedroom from the hallway. And there's no seam. It just flows right in. So I had to cut all the pieces going along the wall to get it to fit right. Now I'm just doing my second row here. Even that row is a little tricky going in. And I got one little small piece right here. Shouldn't be that small, but if you put a little glue on it, it'll be okay. Alright, let's get back to it. Well, we made some good progress today. We got half of the first bedroom done. So tomorrow we're just going to move the little chest over so we can work on the second half, tear up the carpet, and then lay some more flooring. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.